you see the difference, you can see the difference. The points are not moving, the cube sizes are not changing every single frame. You can see the difference. Before it was changing every single frame. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share how to scatter points on an animated geo and make sure the point count in sort doesn't change. It's one of the biggest problem in production because for some of the simulations like Vellum Sim, you need your point count not to be changed and point sort not to be changed, and it's very hard if they are changing. And today I'm going to show you how to do that. If you want more tips and tricks like this, subscribe to this channel. The more subscribers I get, the more videos I can make. Let's dive into it. Let's make a geo and let's call it scatter points on anim 0. Let's go inside and let's get our good old test geometry rig. I'm using this because this already has an anim and it's more easy to explain this. As we all know, this is a packed geometry. So let's scatter points on it. We'll see nothing. So let's first unpack this. As soon as I unpack, I can see more points, and when I scatter this now, I can actually see points changing. To actually make it look more better, if I turn on this point number, you can actually see the point numbers changing. And to actually make it look more better, let me create attribute different colors and make sure I create a box, make it and get a copy to points using copy to points node, and get a attribute randomize again. Just change the p scale, change it to 2 values, 8, 0.1. Yep, if you see this now, the cube sizes are changing every frame because the point sort and the point where the point is there is changing every single frame. And with this thing, it's hard to do any simulations, and if you want to even do trail on the scatter, it won't give you the accurate results. So let me show you how I will do in production. After unpacking, I will just use a time shift and I will delete this and I will freeze just the first frame. Name it freeze. Because it's frozen, it's nothing, it won't actually move in the timeline. I will scatter these points again on it, and on scatter node on the second tab you have output attributes, and you can output source prim and source prim uv. So it will get the source prim of the point and source prim uv of the point, and it will output on the scatter. And you can use attribute interpolate and get your first input to the scatter and second input before you freeze the geo. And this one uses source prim and source prim uv, and if you see it now, see the points are not changing. To actually make it look better, I will just copy this setup and I will just paste it here, and I will just look it, and if you see the difference, you can see the difference. The points are not moving, the cube sizes are not changing every single frame. You can see the difference. Before it was changing every single frame, now it's not changing, it stayed consistent, and it's really helpful in the production. To get more tips and tricks like this, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video with your Houdini friends. Let me know in the comments below if you want anything more. Thank you.